had to go to bed. They woke up. They had to go to bed. That's a point there now. They can't ride the train. It got broken. The train is not working.
It's not? Why?
Because they need to put batteries in it.
But it has batteries. Did you maybe put gas in your train?
No, the gas made it don't feel good. So they're going to take it to the... So they're going to go bye-bye. So it's going to be at the doctor.
Okay. Why don't you start your train so we
No.
can see it go? It's a nice train. There you go. Very nice. Uh-oh.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work because you turned it off.
Tried to go in the water, but it's not working anymore.
Did Mommy have a birthday? Oh man, did that one crash?
Yes. It will go back on.